I went to jewelry school in Paris, Texas, Texas Institute of Jewelry Technology. I started there back in 1997, and I've been doing this ever since. Hi, my name is Brandon Smith. I'm a custom jeweler. Me and my wife Liza own a jewelry store here in Fort Worth, Texas, Sovereign Jewelry Company. Here at Sovereign Jewelry, or me personally as a jeweler, I can consult with the customer. They're not dealing with a salesperson, they're actually dealing with the jeweler, the owner, operator of the business. If I do a custom piece, it's made right here by me in the store. There's not a lot of custom jewelers in town that do the same thing that what I do. And it's all done here, you know, in one location. And I like to try to make customers happy. It sounds a little cheesy, but I really love seeing the interaction of seeing the customer when they do see the final piece. It's real rewarding.